Going to unlock a 2016 Toyota Corolla. Stay to the end for the funny parts.
Turn left onto Shine Bright Court. Then your destination will be on the right.
Thanks, robot. Let me text the guy that I'm here so that later I can text him and say, if you enjoyed my fabulous roadside assistance, I do accept tips with Cash App and whatnot. I'm here in this black and white cruiser, Locksmith. Yeah, I think I'm here. Do you see me out here? Hello? I'm right behind a blue Toyota Corolla.
Yes, sir. I see you.
Oh, okay. Is this it, or is it over there?
I'm here.
Okay. That one right there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's a new neighborhood. I guess the robots don't know exactly where you're at. That's fine. Let me open this door. Do we know where the keys are? Okay, I just wanted to make sure you knew if you had an idea where they're at. This is my blood pressure machine. Don't get me excited. I gotta take my blood pressure later. Can you come over here and hold this for me? Just like you could use your phone. Just need a light. Oh yeah, something shine through the front window. With these vehicles, there's several ways to open them. Okay. I can unlock it manually, like this is a long finger pulled back on the lock. I can open the door handle. There's the brick method. Okay. Find me a brick. We don't want to do that. The alarm's probably going to go off. Sometimes with the Toyota Corolla it doesn't. The Camry always goes off. Okay. It's like a, I don't know, higher security model. Yeah, the Toyota Corolla. My wife's had several of them over the years. They're the base model, which is fine with me. Okay, there you go.
Good on gas. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. I'll text you my business info in a minute. My company's called Snap-A-Lock. Okay. Make sure you give me a good review, 10 out of 10. They'll send you a link in a minute. It'll be in the roadside thread. All right, take care. Another happy customer.